Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Saturday, March the 1st, 2025, coming to you from headquarters here. And I want to give a special shout out to two young men that I met today. I was out in public. Yes, I do go out of my house sometimes. And two young men have identified this little guy as Crypto Mentor 99. I was shocked, to say the least. So I want to give a shout out, and I joked with them. I said, I have to do it in alphabetical order. So in alphabetical order, I want to give a shout out to my new friend Bauer and my new friend Eli. Thank you for saying, there's Crypto Mentor 99. It blessed me. I appreciate you guys. And I know that I'm going to see you again, if you know what I mean. So yes, every once in a while when Crypto Mentor 99 is mingling with the people, I get identified as such. So it was so fun for me. Bauer and Eli, I know that you guys got a kick out of meeting me. But yeah, thank you so much. You guys are a blessing. I'm sure that you're a blessing to your parents and the rest of your family members. And that's it. Shout out to Bauer and Eli in alphabetical order. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And love y'all. Bye-bye.